Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. So, students, in previous section, we learn about a classification of business activities or a business tree structure. So, mainly, we are going to classify business tree or business activities into two types, that is industry and commerce. So, in previous class, we learned about a brief introduction regarding industry, meaning of industry, and the classification of industry. We are going to classify industry into three types, that is primary industry, secondary industry, and territorial industry. So we learn about primary industries. What do you mean by primary industries? And the subdivisions of primary industries also we'll learn in our previous session. So in this session, let me learn the secondary industry. The second subdivision of industries are secondary industry. Secondary industry. What do you mean by secondary industry? So primary industries, we learn that the primary industries are the industries which are concerned with the extraction and production of a natural resources. But whereas secondary industries are those industries which has been those industries which are concerned with the using of materials which already have been extracted at the primary stage. So secondary industries means the materials or the raw materials or the raw products which we have extracted in primary industry, we are going to use that primary extracted material in secondary industry and we are going to do a production. So here, so secondary industries are those industries that are concerned with using the materials which have already extracted at the primary industry. See, this is important. So secondary industries mean the industries that concern with the using of materials which have already extracted at the primary stage. So the materials which already have been extracted in primary stage, using that material and manufacturing a product is nothing but a secondary industry. Or else we can also say that secondary industries are concerned with conversion of raw material or semi-finished goods into a finished goods, or we can say conversion of raw materials or semi-finished goods into a finished goods. Okay, secondary industries means are the conversion of raw materials or semi-finished goods into a finished goods. Take an example of iron ore. Extraction of iron ore is a example of primary industry. So we extract iron from primary industry. In secondary industry, we are going to convert that raw material, that is iron, into a finished good. The finished good in the sense steel. So we are going to convert the iron ore into a steel. That process is nothing but a secondary industry process. Got it, students? Okay. Further, the secondary industries has been subdivided. That is subdivided into how many types? Two types. The first one is manufacturing industries. So what do you mean by manufacturing industries? Yeah, manufacturing industries are industries where raw materials are the process and finally we are going to get the consumable goods. So here what the raw materials we get, we are going to process the raw materials and finally we are going to get a consumable goods. Such industries are known as a manufacturing industry. We can say manufacturing industries are the industries those are engaged in producing goods to processing of raw materials. So raw materials na convert ಮಾಡಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದೇ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವೇರ್ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ where raw materials are processed and finally we get the consumable goods. So consumable goods in the sense a finished good, the goods which we can use, the goods which we can consume. Such goods are known as a consumable goods. So manufacturing industry means the industry where raw materials are processed and finally we get the consumable goods. Okay, this is the meaning of manufacturing industry. Further, this manufacturing industries has been divided into 4 types. That is the classification of manufacturing industries. Okay, again the manufacturing industries are classified into 4 types. The first one is analytical industry. What do you mean by analytical industry? Analytical industry means that the products So analytical industries are those industries that are produce different elements from a same material. Produced different element from same material. So analytical industries are industries that produce a different element from a same material. Okay, for example, take an example of milk. So milk is a raw material. So by taking a milk, producing a different products or a different element. So what are the different elements we can produce by milk? Yeah, exactly, like cheese, butter, curd, ghee and sweets, etc., etc. So by taking this milk as a raw material, we are going to produce a different materials or a different elements such as cheese, butter, sweets and etc. Okay, by keeping one raw material, producing a different elements are known as a analytical industries. Okay, what do you mean by analytical industries? Analytical industries are those industries which produce a different elements from a same material. Example, milk. By taking a milk, one raw material, we are going to produce a different elements from a milk like cheese, butter, sweets, ghee, etc. and etc. Got it? Okay. And the next one is synthetical industry. Synthetical industry. First one is analytical industry and the next one is synthetical industry. So what do you mean by synthetical industry? The reverse of a analytical industry. So in analytical industry, by taking one raw material, we are going to produce a different elements, right? But in synthetical industries, by taking a different elements, we are going to produce one product. That is the synthetical industry. Okay, synthetical industries means are industries that combines various ingredients to produce one product. Okay, so synthetical industries means are those industries that combines the various ingredients, that is are different elements or the different ingredients, combination of different ingredients and producing a one product is nothing but a synthetical industry. Example, cement. So to manufacture a cement, by taking a single product, by taking a single element, we cannot manufacture a cement. For manufacturing of cement, we require some various elements or a various ingredients such as gypsum, silicon, etc. etc. So various ingredients na ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂತಹ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್. The third one is processing industries. Processing industries. Then what do you mean by processing industry? So processing industries are industries which involves in successive stages or steps for the manufacturing of a finished products. That involves in successive stages or steps for manufacturing finished product. So processing industry means are those industries that involves in a successive stages or steps for manufacturing of finished product. So for getting a finished product, going through a various stages or various steps, that is step number 1, step number 2. So by going through a various steps, processing a finished product is nothing but a processing industry. Example is sugar industry. Sugar industry and paper industry. So for manufacturing of sugar, we need to go through a various lots of steps. So such industries are known as such industries are known as a processing industry. So take for manufacturing of sugar, we need to go through a various process. Like first of all, we need to extract a raw sugar cane. After extracting raw sugar cane, we need to extract a sugar cane juice. After that, various process has been gone. After going through a lot of steps, we are going to get a final product, that is sugar. So sugar is the best example for processing industry. Okay, and the last type is assembling industry. Assembling industries. So suppose take an example. We are all using Microsoft mobiles. Yes, we are using a mobiles. So mobiles has a various parts like camera, chip, SIM, various parts. How we are going to get those parts? Only one single company or only single industry can manufacture the whole mobile? No. So by using the assembly industry, we are going to make a particular one full product. So assembling industries means the industries which assembles a different components or parts to make a final products. That assembles different components or parts to make a final product. So to make a final product, assembling a different components or a parts is nothing but the assembling industry. Take for example computer. So computer is a final product. So ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಅಸೆಂಬಲಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಸೆಂಬಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಒಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಚಿಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಿಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಿಮ್ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಸೆಂಬಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್, bike and etc. Okay, assembling industries are those industries that assembles a different components or parts to make a final product. So these are the 4 subtypes of a manufacturing industries. Got it? So in secondary industries we are going to subdivide into 2 types, that is manufacturing industry and construction industry. So in manufacturing industries, again we are going to subdivide that into 4 types. First one is analytical industry, second one is synthetical, then processing, and then assembling industry. Okay, and the next, the second division of secondary industry are construction industry. So what do you mean by construction industries? So construction industries are that industry which involves in the construction activities. So construction activities ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Here we can say construction industries are industries that are involved in a construction activities. So construction industries are industries that are involved in a construction activities such as bridges, example construction of roads, bridges, dams and etc. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದೇ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ secondary industry. Okay, got it students? So in today's class we learn about the meaning of secondary industries, the types of or the subdivisions of secondary industry. Got it? I hope you understand. And one more thing, I hope you guys are making your own notes. Please maintain your own notes and write those points which have been explained in a video. So video ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂತಹ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಓನ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, thank you students.